Like, I should not film that and put it on the internet. What are you doing? That is not supposed to be like that. What is this? Imagine this guy becoming a car YouTuber. So one of the better upgrades you can do in your older car is to upgrade the things that get touched a lot. So my car is from 2007, and as you can imagine, there's a lot of hands that have touched this steering wheel or the shifter. Yeah, so one of the better upgrades is to do the shifter or the steering wheel upgrade. I got a really cheap shifter. Apparently my car, which is a Fabia, is sharing the sizes with a lot of Volkswagen parts, so if I'm lucky enough this will fit, not like the last video. Dude, there's actually no way I fucked that up so hard. Shit, man. Dude, are you kidding? But I lied to you guys. Last video I said I would do this off cam, but no, joke's on you. Content. So I got this really cheap tool, which I hope actually fixes the problem. And I had a screw that should fit. But first, perfect, where do I put that now? My only cup holder is occupied. Where is the screw hole? Okay, that is in here. If you believe it or not, that one screw made that whole thing a little bit stronger, actually. Or like the base, obviously, but that is, like, that part is going nowhere. Here, not too sure about that yet. Well, cool, I have a glove box now. Sick. This is from a VW Golf 4. And it's supposed to fit in here. It looks like it would fit. Shit. There's two ways you can remove that. Either you have luck and you push that one, or you're not lucky as I am, and apparently I have to unscrew that whole thing. There is actually no way this happens to me all the time. Mom, I'm gonna be famous on the internet. I'm the guy that makes the 10-minute jobs take 2 hours. I watched a tutorial and this guy just presses against the shifter part. And then he casually says, if that doesn't work, screw those screws out and then you can remove the part. So I'm here thinking about my life choices. So let's see. Ooh. And then he says you can undo it then. This legitimately didn't change anything. I have no idea how to get below that. My big ass head in the way? It probably is. I have no idea what to do. Like, why doesn't it move? When he did that, that went so smooth by. They pre-loosened it to be cool on the internet. Here you get the real deal. Me being unable to do things. Okay, maybe just check beforehand. I have 2 clips right here and a big ass one right here. And here's only 2. So technically this should fit, but only technically. Shit. Like, actually this tutorial of him is 5 minutes long. And that guy speaks more than he works because it's... So now that I record in 4K, you can see all the dirt in the car. I should actually not even upload. So down here is a ring. So you open up that ring. I don't know how, but you're supposed to be able to open that thing up. Watch my screwdriver break from that. In that video, he tells you to open that up with a screwdriver or use a side cutter. Imagine you just like fucking cut that ring off. Dude, whoever designed that car was not having me in mind for owning that thing. I take that back. I don't make 10-minute jobs turn into 2-hour jobs. This is probably gonna be 30. Like, is that loose? I don't think it's getting loose. That's gotta be loose. And then you're just supposed to pull. There's no way that little ring has so much strength. So when I watched this guy's tutorial, I was like, dude, I barely gonna have a video. Little did I know. Like, okay, at this point, why am I not just gonna remove the whole transmission just for that job, right? Now, come on. Watch me struggle open up that ring. Imagine what happens if I have to close the other one. All right, so this is loose now. This is 100% loose. You see that? I'm gonna hurt myself.
Then pull the gear shift knob up.
You just have to pull it up, he says. Sorry, Hercule. I didn't know. right. Blood. Censor this. That screams quality, doesn't it? Kind of compare them now. This actually looks like it could fit. I hope it does. Do you guys think I'll break it? I might. Look how easy that was. I could have saved so much time if that just worked. But like I said, I do 3-hour jobs, no 10 minutes. We want content out here. Dude, that please just fit. I beg you. There's no way. No way that is too thick. Please. Dude, it looks like it is. Oh yeah, that is way too thick. No way. I want that thing so bad, so I'm gonna make it work. Shit. To clarify, I don't know if it showed better earlier, but I have 2 clips here, and here is the whole thing a clip, right? And this part is a little too thick, or else it should, or it looks like it should fit. I am not giving up on that thing. This plastic lives here now. Add a rubber band. Guys. Failing horribly is now my channel's thing. Wait, that actually fits pretty nicely. Alrighty, let me check Amazon. Okay, so I could get one pretty fast. Before I order a new one and replace the new one, which would be stupid, I break this, and if it doesn't work, I order a new one, and the new one is gonna fit, and I have a new one anyway. Oh dude, that feels so much better. Okay, so I haven't done a really good job of showing. So you have this mark right here. You press the ring down onto there. The ring is tied around this rivet, clamping the whole part in. I think I'm actually going to try. All right, so my plan for now is removing somehow. I hope I have a tool here to remove these. I actually enjoy doing this a little bit right now. This is so out of my comfort zone. Oh yeah, I don't even need to remove them. Shit. The material right here is so old, I can just break it. That is the most unprofessional thing you do. Like, I should not film that and put it on the internet. What are you doing? It's so funny, like the first I was so scared to do, and now I just pull because it's too late anyway, right? So we're in here. We're in, boys. All right, so there's all those tags still in there. That's going to be our little secret. So this actually goes on here like really good. And like I said, you have the material right here that pushes it down, and here's the clamp to hold it in place. So technically it should just pinch it together and be good. That thing is so cheap, and I just removed its family line. Then just pressing the metal ring down. Now to the point of getting this on again, which I should have done beforehand. I'm laughing because if I wouldn't laugh, I would be crying. I'm so smart! Nah, just kidding, guys. It was just for delaying the project even longer. It's really hard to tell. Can you see that? That the leather is right here where my finger is. The leather is here, and it hinders the clips to go further. That's why this is harder to get in. Problem is I have to remove that thing again now. If I tell you that I'm here for almost 2 hours now, shit. Should have done that off the get-go. Brother. That is not supposed to be like that, but holy shit. What is this? I got it on, but it's like the way it is on, you can barely see it. It's like it does not want to touch. Like it does not want to give me the relief of going over the plastic. Like it is barely touching. I shouldn't touch anything at all anymore, but I want it to be like that little percentage more secure, right? You cannot tell anyone what just happened. I will just clamp you together. Now the test. Please stay where you are. Perfect. I will not pull harder than this. Dude, guys, I think I made it. Imagine this guy becoming a car YouTuber. Can't believe it took so long. Dude, like no joke, just being able to place my arm on here and have this new shift knob, my car just feels 5 years younger. That is awesome. Okay, so like I said, the car feels 5 years newer now. The only thing I would have would be the steering wheel. I am pretty lucky. It's all right in its shape. The thing is, I could change that steering wheel with a Volkswagen Group one or with a Skoda VRS one. Problem is, I need to have the airbag, and I have this niche ass steering wheel because this airbag isn't common. There's a more common one which is just round up here, even with the 4 spikes, 4 strokes, 4 part, whatever. And there's one with 3 parts. I just have the airbag that is long for some reason. So I need to get a whole new steering wheel with an airbag, and I don't know if you can replace those, or else I would just have a VW logo in here, which would be so annoying. Would probably just get an Audi one, but then I'm like the biggest judge because I'm like, having a Fabia with an Audi wheel would be weird. So gonna be on the lookout for that. I don't know, I'm done for today. There's so much more stuff I can do to the car and I want to do with the car. I'm actually quite happy this worked. The armrest, it actually is janky. If you look closely, you can see the rubber band here, but from up here, I'm 6 foot, I wouldn't see that, and I don't see a problem in there. Not gonna lie, just changing the shifter was such a winner. Thank you guys if you made it until here. I know it's gonna be old really quick if I need to take so long for every project, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.